The overall goal of this protocol is to introduce an optimized silver staining method for quick, easy, and low-cost detection of SSR markers in non-denaturing polyacrylamide gels.
The rapid genotyping of SSR markers can help answer key questions in the genetic research and application field, such as genetic diversity analysis and marker-assisted selection in molecular breeding programs.
The main advantage of this technique is that it's easy to carry out, takes less time, and uses fewer chemical reagents than other protocols for the detection of SSR markers.
This method avoids the fixing, stopping, and several washing steps found in conventional protocols and only requires the two main steps of impregnation and development.
Clear images can be produced. Using this protocol, there is no background noise for the unambiguous detection of SSR binding patterns.
One can screen approximately 800 DNA samples per day using this technique, and it has been used successfully in tobacco and flowering Chinese cabbage research.
After preparing PCR products and gel solutions according to the text protocol, use detergent in tap water to wash one set of glass plates and spacers, followed by a complete rinsing with distilled water.